Turmeric is gaining a lot of popularity, and a lot is being said about how important it is to use turmeric in the kitchen. But do you know what turmeric is good for? Sometimes called curcuma. We have talked about it a few times on our channel. Watch the suggested video to learn more about it. The medicinal properties of turmeric and honey are very similar, so when combined to make golden honey, the benefits of turmeric are even more potent and make it an excellent ally for your health. They are both natural anti-inflammatories, so turmeric and honey are recommended for preventing, controlling, and treating inflammatory diseases. This combo is beneficial for people who suffer from intestinal or digestive inflammatory diseases, Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, and others, inflammatory skin diseases, dermatitis, eczema, psoriasis, and chronic inflammatory diseases like rheumatoid arthritis. They are also antioxidants and thus help slow down aging, control free radicals, and regenerate skin tissues, aiding with healing and cancer prevention. Both ingredients are excellent natural detoxifiers and highly recommended for detoxifying the liver and the body in general, eliminating toxins. And of course, they strengthen the immune system by helping improve its defenses and preventing or treating diseases that weaken our immunity. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. Now let's see how to make golden honey. In a glass jar, add 3.5 ounces of honey and 0.5 ounces of turmeric powder. Mix well. Take half a teaspoon 3 to 4 times a day. If you find the flavor is too strong, dilute the syrup with some hot or warm water or in a tea. Make this golden honey syrup if you have symptoms of cold or flu. Don't wait any longer to try it. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.